It can be a breeze to produce social media content for 4 different platforms, alone and with a day job. This is how I do it, using UI. So what Instagram post ideas can we get out of the ideas already planted in the YouTube video script? We all want our posts to be creative and engaging, have a defined idea, have a caption, and be targeting some hashtags. Let's prep a UI session with the YouTube video script and then ask for it. I like the first idea. Let's make it into a carousel post. Please provide the Instagram carousel text covering the idea, showcase the power and efficiency of ChatGPT with a side-by-side comparison of manually written code versus code generated by ChatGPT. And then we can simply use Canva to paste the text into a branded template and schedule for post. What Instagram Reels can we create out of the ideas of the YouTube script? We want a series of Reels based on the script with engaging captions and relevant hashtags. We prep UI with the script and ask for just that. With these results, it is just to point a camera against your face and start reading, editing, and scheduling for post. My Reels for Instagram. I also post them as short for YouTube. What Instagram stories can we create out of the ideas in the YouTube script? They should be highly interactive, such as polls or quizzes. We ask for it. And then we're off to Canva again to create the actual images to post. If you're interested in this topic, do subscribe. I have a lot more fun coming. What single tweets can we create out of the ideas in the YouTube script? We want them to be captivating and have relevant hashtags. When we get them, we might even ask for 10 more. Could come in handy. Then I just schedule them out using the web application. And I also sprinkle in some images I have been using for creation of the YouTube video, or even some screenshots from it. Then, what Twitter threads can we extract from this YouTube script? We want our threads to have a main point and some relevant hashtags. Now, I'm still experimenting with this prompt, so I might put in a framework here, such as AIDA, in an evaluation later on. So there is room for improvements. At current, I can't schedule any Twitter threads. It's just to set a calendar appointment and do the thing manually. What about LinkedIn posts? What can we extract for that? We want professional and engaging content with captivating captions. Give us idea, caption, and hashtags. Looking at the result, I would personally flash out these captions more, rather than pointing towards a YouTube video. But I haven't got a good prompt for that one yet. A general note about my prompts. Don't steal them right off, because they are not ready. They are still under development. The internet is filled with resources about prompts and prompt gurus. Look at what is available and find something that is working for you. This video is more about looking at the entire content creation process and how I use ChatGPT to enhance it for my sake. By repurposing YouTube content using UI or ChatGPT is how it makes it possible for me to alone keep up with posting on 4 different platforms at once. How much could you do? Link in description below on how you get the code for UI so you can start using it you too. In principle, I could let ChatGPT generate those video scripts as well, but they do get much better when I write them myself, right? In the next video in this series, I'll be looking at how to create business plans and business ideas for a SaaS business, and how I do that using UI. It will show up here in suggested when it's out. See you in there.